pastel. We're doing pastel makeup today. You guys, I love this look. It just brings me out of the norm. It brings me out of the normal way I do makeup. I like to challenge myself here and there, so this was a way to just give it a go and not shy away from a bit of color. My name is Nyasha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Welcome. Let's see how I do this look. Please stay tuned and carry on watching. So getting right into it, I am using Maybelline as my contour today because I really don't want my face to be harshly contoured because I'm gonna have all these pinks on my face. So I want it to be really light and I'm not bronzing either. So moving on, this step I skipped because I just wanted you guys to see how I put the pink blush, liquid blush from Shein, because this pastel pink, I really wanted something pinkish under my eye. I'm using this brush to just blend all of that together. Okay, trust the process because you don't know how it's gonna look right at the end. Okay, so I'm blending that together. So now I am blending that concealer and blusher together so that there is no harsh lines at all. I am setting my face with the Huda Beauty banana bread. You guys, I am so late to this, but I really need to try the pink setting powder. I usually just use what I have, like eyeshadow. So I'm using this powder blushes and this palette is from Glam, and I just love this pink. It's one of the pinks I used on my bridal look. If you guys have not watched my 5 series bridal makeup look, please go. It's a playlist you can binge watch with your popcorn or whatever. It's different types of brides basically. I really love that playlist. So I'm using Revolution eyeshadow primer to just prime my lids. So we're going in with the pink on top over there, and I'm using that as my transition shade because it's really giving that pastel look I'm looking for. I really don't have a lot of color, like pastel colors, eyeshadow palettes in my collection, and I feel like I really need to get those. So I tried the Jaclyn Hill palette because I thought the green was going to be a pastel green. It was going to be light and I can make it light. So I made a mistake, but I thought, hey, let me go with it. Maybe I can put something on top to just bring that vibrant pastel vibe to it, but it didn't work. So I ended up going with my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I will be going in with that blue a bit later, but I'm just adding that pink that I showed you from the Glam blush palette. So I'm just putting that color from the Glam palette on the outer corner. Then I went ahead to put that blue, and it was really giving the pastel vibe I was going for. Initially I wanted like a little green, but obviously blue and pink do go well together. So I am using that to just create just a little bit on the lid. I did go in with a little bit of purple, but I kind of felt like it's kind of taken away from what I wanted, because I really wanted this pastely look. So under my eyes, I went with that blush pink, the pastel pink from the She Glam palettes, blush palettes. Then I also went in with that blue in the inner corner, just to balance the look out. So I was trying to just make sure that it's coming out together, and it's coming out. So in my waterline, I didn't want to just leave it bare, so I thought, let me use my eye primer from Makeup Revolution, and I'm gonna put that blue back in. I didn't show you this part, but I did it because the powder was going everywhere, and I was like blinking like. So I'm putting mascara. I'm not putting no eyeliner at all. I'm gonna put my mascara, then putting these wispy lashes I got from Amazon. They were giving anime. They were giving me that anime character, and love it. Okay. So I am using this like light pink eyeshadow from She Glam palette. I think it's called Lava palette, and I use this to brighten my under eye, and it also gives me that pink under eye that I like. I am gonna get some pink setting powder. Like, I can't be this late to the game, guys. So I do spray it because I don't want it to come out looking ashy. So, and I'm also blending and adding more pink blush. So this lip liner is from Makeup Revolution, and it's in the shade Glory. It wasn't really working out. It wasn't really giving me what I wanted, but I just thought I can make it work. So I'm using the liquid blush in the shade Love Cake. It's the same that I used on my face as well. I was going for that pink bubblegum look on my lips, but it wasn't really looking nice. So I then went ahead with the maroony lip liner shade, and then I went in with a powder, the same powder blush I used on my cheeks. I put it on my lips, and it was finally giving me what I wanted. Then I'm using my favorite gloss, which is almost finished, and I'm squeezing every little ounce of it. I can never do matte lips again, guys. Maybe sheer, but matte lips is a no-no for me. I love a glossy lip. If you also have not watched my lip combo, please go ahead and watch it. I'm leaving every links below and on top of this video. You want your makeup snatched and not move, please use this spray. It's absolutely awesome. But before this, I did use the vitamin E hydrating mist. For highlighter, we're using the Juvia's palette from Vanessa, and it's this eyeshadow that's got gold and an iridescent pink. I just love how it looks. I just thought it would go with the look instead of a gold, and it was really giving. It was giving. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I had a bit of a struggle because I don't have that many pastel colors in my palettes, so I had to improvise, and obviously that's the fun thing when it comes to makeup. But I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Bye.